Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop location sharing from Google Maps within Windows. And now, let's get started. To manage location sharing, begin by opening the Windows search bar, type the word location, and select Location Privacy Settings from the search results. Within the location privacy settings, you will find an option to turn off location services. Once you disable this setting, it will affect all applications on your computer, including Google Maps. It is important to note that Windows does not offer a specific setting to disable location sharing solely for Google Maps. If you choose to turn off location services, it will be turned off for all applications. Conversely, enabling location services will enable it for all applications. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.